Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the lookup formula in Google Sheets, and by the end, you'll confidently know when to use lookup instead of VLOOKUP, and how both formulas can help you find data in your spreadsheets in seconds. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly just to match up an employee name or department, this will save you tons of time. Let's get right into it. First things first, let's make sure you already have your data ready to go. For this example, picture a simple table like this. We've got an employee ID column and a department column. So imagine the IDs look like E101, E102, all the way through E105, and their departments, sales, marketing, engineering, human resources, finance, are neatly lined up right beside them. Now let's say you want to quickly find out which department E103 belongs to, or perhaps you want to check what department is assigned to E104 specifically. Instead of hunting for these manually, we'll use formulas to pull the info automatically. Pick the cell where you want your answer to appear, we'll type our formula right there. Let's start by comparing VLOOKUP and lookup, since these are two of the most common ways to search like this in Google Sheets. I'll show you both and you'll understand the difference. With VLOOKUP, the idea is pretty straightforward. You're telling Sheets, hey, go look for the specific ID in the first column, and once you find it, tell me what's in the next column over for that row. So the formula looks like this, equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, then in quotes E103, comma, then your data range, in this case A2 to B6, covering both columns. Next, the 2 means you want the result from the second column. And finally, false tells Google Sheets you only want an exact match. No guessing, no close enoughs. You end up with LOOKUP, a 100 thra, a 2b62 false. When you hit enter, Google Sheets goes down the employee ID column, finds E103, and instantly returns unjanung, which is the matching department in that row. Quick note, if it can't find exactly E103, it'll return an error, so double check for typos if that happens. Now let's talk about the lookup formula, which gives you a different but really neat way to search, especially when your data is organized a certain way. For lookup, you're specifying 3 things: the value you're looking up, say O100 funds, vector you're searching through, that's the range of IDs A2 through A6, and then the result vector, which is the list of possible answers, the department column B2 through B6. Here how it looks, LOOKUP, O100 A2 A6 B2 B6. Here, what's happening behind the scenes. Lookup scans down your search vector, checking each employee ID, E101, E102, E103, and so on. When it spots E104, it goes over to the matching row in your result vector and grabs the department name there, which in this case is human resources. A small but important detail. Lookup assumes your search vector, the employee IDs, is sorted in ascending order. If there's an exact match like E104, it'll return the corresponding department, no problem. But if it can't find what you're looking for, it returns the department linked with the closest smaller value. This can be handy, but just remember it's not always strict like VLOOKUP's exact match setting. So to sum up, VLOOKUP is great for strict column-based searches where you want perfect matches, while lookup is a bit more flexible and can fill in data even if you're searching non-exact values as long as your list is sorted. Both are incredibly useful, and now you know exactly how and when to use each. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below if you've got any questions or if you want to see more Google Sheets tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next one.